If you're swinging big horsepower numbers with high pressure fuel needs, you know a stock mechanical fuel pump simply won't cut it. And if your modern high flow fuel pump assembly is top mounted in the fuel tank, you'll want easy access to service or replace it. This Detroit Speed Fuel Pump Access Kit is designed to do just that, without the fuss of fabricating something from scratch. Simply follow the DSC instructions to locate the access panel and trace the opening. And cut the floor pan. This beefy 1/4 inch thick steel weld plate with tapped holes provides an inner clearance of 9 by 9 inches. Very nice fit. I whittled up against the opening to ensure that nice tight tolerance all around. When I go to weld it, I'm going to split the distance between the top and bottom of the bead roll and center this weld plate within that section. Let's set some tacks and anchor it in place. Weld plate tacked in place. The kit includes this nice 1/8 inch thick black anodized aluminum cover with stainless button head mounting bolts.
That was easy.
All that's left is to weld it out, but I'm going to save that till I have the floor assembly back up on the rotisserie for easy access to both sides. Till next time, cheers.